ceremony. You can see the word there. Anyone who knows what is this? Anyone? Any idea? So like the last week, it was a very hectic week for the whole teachers, the senior, the juniors, housemasters, mistress, principal sir, and even the 11th standard also, because out of so many things, discussions held, and then a proper result came. So today we are going to celebrate this, observe this in presence of each and every one of you, so that you can understand what responsibilities the future captains will get and how they will help you to upgrade, develop the school in which you are residing in. For this, I would like to call the captains, the previous captain, the session 2025-26 captains on stage. One by one, I will take the name of the title and please be on stage. So I would like to call the previous ex-school captains, boys and girls. The captains, please. Previous school captain, Siddharth. Come, be fast. Prince. I have to take the names, you can come on the stage, please. I want the school captain, boys, girls, CCA captain, sports captain, vice captain, mess captain, vice captain, everyone, please. Yes, Jyoti, Lota, come fast. Their duties in a very wonderful way. Last year, as I remember, every program was very, it was excellent. They performed their duties, but somehow one or the other things are being left, so that the other department, when they come, the other people, they can improve. Captains. We wanted the new forthcoming captains, but I can see they don't wear the badges. Nobody is wearing the badge. Now this is a big loophole, because when you get a title, you should flaunt it. You should represent it. Isme sharmana kya? Let's do it with a handshake only. Okay, the captains, you will do the handshake with the new captains. Okay, so I'll start with the school captain. From the boys side, we have Dipanshu go from 11th Science. Dipanshu for the school captain. The school vice captain is Tarkeshwar, representing from the arts section. This handshake means they are handing over their whole responsibility. So it's not just a handshake. बोलते हैं दो लोगों के बीच में MOU साइन हो रहा है, ये मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग है ना, ये MOU साइन, पैक्ट साइन हो रहा है, ताकि भाई अब आपकी जिम्मेदारी है कि आप अच्छे से करें और हम आपको पीछे से बैक करेंगे, बुली नहीं करेंगे, बूस्ट करेंगे, हेल्प कर, ताकि और अच्छे से रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो इनसे चूक हो गई, जो अभी तुरंत मैंने पॉइंट आउट भी कर दिया, वो आगे वाले बनने वाले कैप्टन से ना हो. We have Birang Jonko from 11th Science. Yes, they should do it. Come on. From the girls' side, we have Birang Jonko, and for the vice captain, we have Rishika Gaur. Please be on stage. You also take one step forward, captains. The vice captain also. Come, Rishma.
They are vice captain girls side.
I I think with the handshake they should give the blessings also, so that whatever they have done for the school, they can also do it for in a positive way. From the school CCA captain we have Aman Kumar. So please Aman, be on stage. And from the girls side we have Sneha Topno as a captain. Both the captains, Sneha, come, be fast. From the CCA vice captain from the boys we have Antulal from the art section, and CCA vice captain from the girls side we have Gauri Das from the art section. Come on Gauri, run. Okay. Now for the sports, which is a very important part of our Vidyalaya. From the boys section, we have Man Singh Bandra for a school sports captain. And from the girls side, we have Ruchi Garima Pat Pingua. Her name is too long. I hope she gets into it and do a long thing for the sports section. She is a SGFI player and we want that this year more SGFI players should come. From the sports vice captain boys we have Ajay Hansda. And vice captain from the girls side sports department we have Tanya Mahato. Come on, Tanya, run. You're a sports person. The faces are going to change, but the responsibility remains the same. Now we have the mess department, which is a very important department because everything starts from there and ends there only. Okay, so mess we have as a captain representing from the boys section, Prince Purti. During the selection process only he has his own agendas. I hope he works on it. And from the girls side we have as a captain Pratibha Panna. From the vice captain we have Anuj Savaiya. And from the girls side as a vice captain we have Renuka Mato. Oh, she's on leave. So I just want that we have created a committee also to represent Renuka. I want that Nisha should come on stage for the handshake. Nisha? And she's grabbing it. Come on. The vice captain Simran with Nisha.
Here present all dignified teachers and all my schoolmates and classmates. A very warm and pleasant good morning to all of you present over here. So I'll be taking responsibility from today only, from today, and I'm a little nervous, but I will try my best, and from my side it will be 100%, and I hope you all will cooperate with me and the new captains. I hope we will cooperate each other and help each other. So thank you, and it's a very good opportunity for me to improve myself, my confidence, my talent. Thank you all. Thank you Pooja ma'am, and thank you all the teachers for giving me this opportunity. I'm very thankful and grateful to you, and yes, I'm ready for this. Thank you.
Thank you, Dipanshu, for believing the teachers, for believing all the students who backed you, who supported you, and we all hope that you will bring good fame and you will work with each and every department and will upgrade the school. Ah, yes, sir. Me as a feminist, how can I forget from the girl side? So I would like to call the girl captain, Birang Dongko, for a small speech.
Here present, respected teachers and all my schoolmates, a very warm and pleasant good morning to you all. I am taking responsibility as a girls school captain from today, and I am very grateful to cooperate with you all, with whole school. So I believe that we will improve the school very much, and yeah, I am ready for this. Thank you.
Either the boy or a girl captain, ex-captain, can come on stage and give the blessings to all the new captains who are standing on stage.
Respected Christian Charles person, all the teachers and all the dignified teachers present over here. Very warm and pleasant good morning to you all. Today I am standing here as I am signing off as a school captain, and I would really appreciate today's new captains, and I hope they will take the legacy out very well. Thank you.